Dis dag 2 op die Swart Tobie. In vergelyking met dag 1 was hierdie 'n aansienlik makliker stapdag.
Let's dance in style, let's dance for a while. Heaven can wait.
Ons het baie tyd spandeer aan die eerste paar kilometer. Nie noodwendig omdat dit 'n moeilike stap was nie, maar ons het ons verkyk aan die rotsformasies.
Let us live forever. We don't have the power, but we never say never. Sitting in a sandpit, life is a short trip. The music's for the sad man. Can you imagine when this race is won? Turn our golden faces into the sun. Praising our leaders, we're getting in tune. The music's played by the madman. Forever young, I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever? Forever, forever, forever young. I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever?
Ook op hierdie dag was 'n paar styl klimme, maar na dag 1 was ons gereed hiervoor.
Some are like water, some are like the heat. Some are a melody and some are the beat. Sooner or later they all will be gone. Why don't they stay young?
Op hierdie roete word elke styl opdraande beloon met 'n uitsig soos hierdie.
Youth like diamonds in the sun, and diamonds are forever. So many adventures couldn't happen today. So many songs we forgot to play. So many dreams.
Dis strande soos hierdie wat jou laat voel asof jy die eerste mens is wat ooit hier stap.
Young, I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever? Forever, forever, forever young. I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever? Forever, forever, forever young. I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever?
I don't move like I used to do, but I still keep walking towards something true. I don't need the world to spin so fast. I've learned to love the quiet things that last. Some things I'd leave behind, some things were worth the climb, and every scar I carry has made this heart of mine. It was just a blank and I got old. Time ran so fast, I never slowed. I had a dream, but now it's gone. Life's so short, it won't hold on. But I can still walk, I can still love, I can still feel and be enough. It was just a blank and I got old, but life ain't over.
Hier was ons baie naby aan die plek waar die Olifantsrivier in die see uitmond. Ons het nie ver daarvan af die nag deurgebring nie.
Young ones run like time is on their side. They don't see the grace in a slower ride. They don't how sweet a small thing can be.
Die Olifantsrivier is 'n getuierivier, wat beteken dat die mond oop is na die see toe. So gedurende hoogwater druk die see soutwater terug in die rivier op. So hoog op in die rivier kry jy seevis en soutwater.
A little strong. It was just a blank and I got old time.
Hierdie struktuur help baie om die wind te keer. Dit het gesorg vir 'n rustige nag op die walle van die Olifantsrivier.
Hold on, but I can still walk, I can still love, I can still feel